Now let us know about the investigating behavior briefly. The two scientists called Lawrence and Pavlov. The two scientists called Lawrence and Pavlov have conducted many experiments to prove that animal behavior under different conditions. Now let us discuss a small activity about how animals behave under different circumstances. Now for this activity, take a box and divide the box into 4 chambers with the help of cardboard. As shown in this figure. Make small holes to these 2 chambers so that light can enter into these 2 chambers. After that, keep a small cotton moist to one of the lightened chamber and one of the dark chamber to make it moist and damp conditions. Damp is nothing but slightly wet. Now keep some cockroaches into each of the chamber and cover it with a cloth and leave the whole setup for some time, for 15 to 20 minutes probably. Again check and count the number of cockroaches present in each of the chamber. Usually cockroaches will prefer to be in dark and damp conditions. So we can observe more number of cockroaches will be present in dark and damp conditions. So moving to another topic, we generally see some birds will migrate from one region to another region. So why this migration of birds? How they know this particular season I have to migrate to another places? Does anybody know how the birds will identify that this particular season I have to go to another place? This is because of instinct. About instinct, imprinting, our brothers have discussed. Offsprings even have different animals which live on land, water, or both land and water will perform the activities of imprinting, imagination, imitation or conditioning. Animal behavior is based upon different biochemical conditions. Identifying or smelling ability of dogs, a friendly nature, searching and communicating nature of ants is because of pheromones. Here you came across a different word called pheromones. What is meant by pheromones? Does anybody know what is meant by pheromones? Pheromones is nothing but a hormone released in ants to find its food. Generally, when a sweet or a food item is kept outside of it, we observe that ants will be surrounding to that sweet. The ants will find its food due to this hormone called pheromones. So now let us show some interesting behaviors of animals. So some of the animals will build many beautiful nests. In that, birds build their nest in different ways. So we'll come across some examples and to understand about the different birds. The weaver bird will build its nest in a very fascinating manner. It varies from the nest building varies from one species to another species. First, the bird weaver will select a leaf called, especially one leaf will be at the bottom and another 2 leaves will be like this as shown in the figure. It collects some threads to join these two leaves and builds its nest. Some of them will build without joining the threads. Now let us come across an interesting animal called beaver. It is generally a mammal which lives in North America. It builds dams across the streams. Beaver, it cuts the big trees and keep across the dams because it has a sharp teeth at its end. After constructing dams, it will build a 4 feet four four f- 4 feet wall using twigs, mud, stones and mud. Twigs is nothing. Twigs is nothing but it is a slender woody part of the stem is called squid. Stagnated water is the living home for beavers family. No, so let us know one more interesting bird called wasp. It is too intelligent because it builds its nest on behaving their future, on depending upon their future needs. It first it selects some of the particular soil to build its nest. If the soil is dry, it adds some few drops of water to make it wet, and it builds its nest. After building it adds few drops of water to build its nest. After building its nest and after drying its nest, it goes in search of food. It collects more amount of food and it stores in the nest. After collecting, it lays the eggs in the collected food material so that larva can eat that food up to they grow. So let us come to another interesting topic called experiments towards animal intelligence. So some of the human have different mindset, that some of the human beings wanted to know what other people are thinking about them and and vice versa. Some of them also have cunning mentality, that if for example, if a good learning student want to get out of marks and he don't want to get his friends to get out of marks, so he will confuse his friends in order to not to get out of marks. In like this, in the same way, birds also have different mindsets and different intelligence. So in this topic we are going to learn briefly about this. A bird called scarabee bird hides its food, but unfortunately when it goes in search of food, it collected food will be stolen by some other scarabee. An experiment also proved that when a scarabee hides its food behind in presence of another scarabee will fixes a cunning plan and it steals its food. So we have like this. We have number of examples like squirrels, dolphins, and all about this my friend Ankita will continue.